I facilitated a 45-minute breakout session during Discovery Education's DEN Summer Institute where I shared some of the therapeutic comedy exercises I've developed. Participants worked together to complete the tutorials, filling in blanks, reframing stressors, and turning everyday frustrations into jokes that filled the room with laughter. Here are a few of my favorite moments.
How am I supposed to go back to work after summer break? I don't remember how to pee on a schedule.
Pee on a schedule.
Not responded when you stay home.
That's called roasting.
This is awkward, but nothing compared to having a presenter present in front of everyone with his fly down.
That's good. Perfect. I also shared links to all my comedy resources so these educators can keep building the skill of adding humor to everyday life.